Ever wish you can split screen on your iPhone like you can on Android? You want to scroll Instagram while watching a YouTube video, right? Or maybe text a friend without leaving your browser? Well, here's the deal. A true 2-app at once split screen doesn't exist on the iPhone. At least not yet. You can swipe between your recent apps like this, but that's not the same. You're just swapping one full screen app for another. It's a quick switch, not a true split. But there is one workaround that gets you close, and it's called picture-in-picture. This is the closest thing you'll ever get to a split screen. Go to your settings, tap on general, and make sure picture-in-picture is turned on. Now, how do you use it? It only works for video. If you're watching a video on YouTube or another supported app, just swipe up to your home screen and the video will shrink into a smaller, movable window.
Over 500,000 small businesses trust Zensurance. Zensurance provides low-cost business insurance for hundreds of industries across Canada. Save up to 35% on your...
If you're watching a video on YouTube or another supported app, just swipe up to your home screen and the video will shrink into a smaller, movable window. You can drag it, resize it, and even hide it to the side while you open another app. It's not perfect and it won't let you use 2 apps at once, but it's the best option we have for multitasking right now. So while we wait for Apple to hopefully add this feature in a future update, picture-in-picture is your go-to for multitasking with video. Ever wonder how to turn off passcode on your iPhone while it's grayed out? Check out this video to learn how.